real and digital lives meet.
Hello world, this is Eden and welcome to the Bat Cave. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3D printing. Here I'm having two 3D printers, a bigger one and a smaller one. Now you might wonder why I'm having two 3D printers. The first reason is that these printers are very good, but they're not high-grade professional printers, which means that if you do it as a hobby and you don't have a huge budget to spend onto these printers, you might have to get at least two so you can use them at the same time. This saves you money and also a lot of time, because sometimes what you're printing is taking very long. I'm talking about several hours non-stop, or sometimes even several days. So you might wonder, why should I have a 3D printer? There is not a real specific reason. You either like it and you want to use one or not. But I'm confident that in future, probably every house is going to have at least one 3D printer for small needs, but sometimes there are things that get out of business, so you cannot find the spare parts anymore. So having a 3D printer can be very useful if you manage to find online what you need to print, and you can just download the file and print it off. Now, let's go back to the size of the printer. The bigger, the slower. Is not always true. This printer is very fast, but unfortunately I cannot always use it at full speed. So the main reason why I chose to have a smaller printer and a bigger printer, because you can print two different things at the same time, and you can split big projects and small projects on different printers at the same time. So if what you're trying to print is elaborate, like a cosplay costume, that can be really useful to you. For example, with a small printer you can print something like this, which is a very simple sponge container. You can use it for soap, for sponges, for anything. While if you are in need of use the big printer, this is what you can print. So what do you think, guys? Is it making you feel like buying a big printer? It did to me. So let's get a bit closer. So this is a huge printer, as you can see. It takes a lot of space, but the results you can get are really amazing. It takes some work though. It's not easy to configure it, level it, and make sure that everything stays stable. This one is a much simpler printer, but it is very amazing as well. This is a Creality Ender 3S1 Plus. I made some upgrades, not much. I put the camera so I can check when I'm out of the house if the print job is going well. I put an external device called Sonic Pad. The Sonic Pad is basically a new computer attached to the printer, which is taking care of what was done with the previous display on the side. It just makes the printer a bit more flexible. And this one is an Elego Neptune 4 Max. I didn't do many modifications on this one. Really little work. That's why today I am going to replace the springs. But it's an amazing printer. It just really takes some time to make it work